Welcome back to the channel, guys. Just want to say that she's off the lift. She's back on her wheels. We got her done up last night. We still got to bleed the brakes. They're a little spongy. Yeah, the lift is, and the old man emu suspension is really good. I've got the battery being charged right now because being a little cold, so we just got a trickle charger on that. But I just want to give a big shout out to Polly Bush. The suspension, the ride, it's amazing. Really smooth, soft. Even with the dynamic, it's a comfortable ride. No squeaks, no nothing. Went in like a dream. Performs even better. So if you want some bushings, I suggest you get a hold of Polly Bush, because yeah, the install is way easy, and I've got nothing but great review for them. There you go. If you didn't get to see it, there's all the telephone numbers, emails, and their website. Yeah, let's get her on a trail on another video, and we'll get a performance. See how she does on some of the trails. We took it on a little rutted out section of a dirt road last night, and we got the axle to articulate really smooth. Polly Bush linked with the old man emu suspension. She had a lot of traction. It went down. I've never felt this truck have so much. It just felt planted. That's the best way to put it. It felt planted. It felt like the wheel went into the hole, and the nitro gas chamber on the shock was giving that little bit of extra pressure, pushing it in to keep that traction going. Yeah, that's so far happy. Really happy. So yeah, let's get her out on a trail soon. And yeah, like, subscribe, and let's get on a trail.
Okay, so we started cutting it out. What we're gonna do, Sean, we're gonna do the same as that guy up in Canada. We're gonna just do it this way, come across and then cut that short somewhere. All right, that's the plan. Let's see if we can do it. Just a little bit left to do it in there. Patch that little hole in there. Yeah, way better cutting it this and coming across and then going across that way instead of trying to get it over the top.
Nice and rusty inside, huh?
Oh yeah. Gotta grind that off. grind all this back. These them out, and so grind all this back to the frame, clean it up, ready to go. And yeah, beautiful. That's the mess. Have one outrigger coming out in pieces and pieces and pieces, just so we can get to right here. We got it all cleaned off. There was a weld all the way back here with metal and a weld down here, and then the previous owner or had a job done to pass their MOT, and they overplated the rust, didn't even cut the rust out. And then we had metal in here and the original weld, and it was all plated over. Complete mess. While grinding, we found just a little pinhole here. We got to fix that. So now I'm going to try and clean this up the best I can, and I have some rust proofing conversion stuff that's going to go in there, try and stop that from getting any worse. This is only a temporary fix until we bite the bullet and do a frame at some point. So yeah, let's crack on.
Let's get in here with the sander and try and get this clean up the best we can. Watch out, Smokey. Okay, so I just used this. It's a surface prep for the rust cleaner. Let's see how this goes on. Why pretty thick, I think.
First of all, I've used anything like this. I've used the stuff back home in England where you put it on and it turns the rust black. Maybe this is the same stuff, I don't know. Oh yeah, it's turning it black, so. Let's literally get that all over the place then. Maybe it's not turning black, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it's just a shadow. Well, I guess we'll let that settle, and then we'll come back and we'll put the rest of the paint stuff on.
Everybody knows what I'm using, and I'm not sponsored by anybody, but I'm just giving this a go, and this is what we're using. I got it at AutoZone. The only thing I didn't do was the cleaner degreaser, because I've ground it down and there's no grease up in that hole. It's just rust. So I skipped the first step, so I've gone straight to metal prep after I sanded it and grinded it. And then once this is dried, we're going to be putting this product on at the end, which is step 3. Just so everybody knows, this is what we're using. If I like the looks, if I like how it sets up, I'll use it again. But let me know if anybody's used any of this. Comes with the foam brush, comes with the regular brush. So yeah, let me know, guys. Interested to know comments if anybody's used it, if it works, or if I'm wasting my time. Luckily, this is just a frame that's only going to be on here for another couple of years max, until we can break the bank and get a new frame coming and really go to town on the restoration of this old girl.
On a positive note, we just ran out of gas, so we had to make this outrigger fit. If I put the outrigger to the frame where it's meant to be, bulkhead bolt didn't line up, so we had to come up with a plan, make it work. Bulkhead bolt is in, and yeah, this one just needs to be finished welded, and that'll be done. I just got the bolts and the outriggers in the back. I'll have to pull this bolt out just for a little bit while I paint.